I've bought another Audi. It's not a Q2 this time, it's a Q3. A bit more bigger and all the airbags have gone off. But why? Now, if we looked around this car, we see that it's obviously had a bump to the front end, we've got a dent in the bonnet there, we've got a bit of crack in the grills there, but it's gone and set every single airbag off alongside with the seatbelt. Now, why? Can you see down there, that bumper iron? If we look this side, see that nice gap it's got there? Now as we look this side, it's been pushed in. I think that this has just been hit, well, you see either say in the right or the wrong place, and it's pushed that crash bar back and it's set the airbags off. Now, the bumper hasn't even got a crack on it. The only thing that's cracked on the front is the grille, so the impact cannot have been hard at all. I think it's just a case of it's just hit it slightly in the wrong place or on a sensor and it's set those airbags off. That's the airbag kit from the airbag team. This is the front grille, and there's a crash bar. Actually looks brand new. Let's strip that front bumper off and see if it's hiding any damage. Up she goes. Right, under tray off, back down, wheel arch liners off. All the bolts are now off. I'll undo these four on the top for the bumper, and that should be it. Right, that's one bumper off. Ugh. Right, so front bumper's off. Obviously that one's changing, that's punched in there, but a bit like the other Q2, it's not the other Q2, well, this is the Q3, but the other Q2 done in the last video, very, very nice bit of isolated damage, you know, even like the headlight bracket here isn't broke, you know, that's not broke. There's so many different things that I thought, oh yeah, that might be pushed in, even the radiator. So this bottom thing hasn't been pushed in at all. And the radiator is literally, you could just slide a penny in whereabouts it's close to it. So it hasn't touched it at all, hasn't bent it. So yeah, it's brilliant. So now I'm just gonna change that over, change the grille over, we'll get the front bumper back on, onto the airbag stuff. Now sometimes you've got to be a little bit careful with crash bars and stuff like this when you're undoing them, because when they've been pushed in like that, they almost sort of, well, they become under quite a bit of tension. So when you're undoing them, you've got to be careful that they don't ping back or try and hurt you. But right, got our brand new crash bar. Now this will be our moment of truth. Now, because these airbags have gone off, some people would say, oh, airbags have gone off, it's definitely got to have done some sort of chassis damage or something like that, which I don't think it has done. But when we put this crash bar up to it, if there is any movement or any sort of discrepancy, should we say, in the chassis legs, then the bumper bar doesn't lie. You'll be able to see it all through it. So I'm quietly confident that it should be all right. I just, like I've said before, I just think it's just hit it in the wrong place. So let's measure it up and see what we're working with. There we have it. Perfect. Perfect. Bumper bars on, 6 bolts all done up. And I mean, even these little headlight brackets here that sit underneath here, they actually sit on the crash bar. They're perfectly fine. So it just goes to show when they're in accidents like this, it's amazing what actually is saved and what you don't actually end up having to replace. Right, so I'm always losing stuff around the workshop, whether that's misplacing tools, losing my keys, or even losing my wallet. Now, I did actually lose my wallet completely the other month, and I only realised I'd lost it when I got a suspicious activity alert on my online banking. Oh, look at that, brand new grille. So I went and got myself the Extra Wallet Pro. Now, the main reason that I went and got the wallet is because it's got a tracker in it. So if I lose the card, if I lose my wallet, anything like that, then all I have to do is go into the Find My iPhone app, which Extra links perfectly to, click Sound Alert, and it will start sounding a noise like this. And it will also show the last location, so I definitely won't be getting any more notifications from my bank. I've also got my driver's license in there, I've got all of my bank cards, and I keep a bit of cash in here as well. And to be honest with you guys, the quality is really, really good. And Extra knows this too, so they've offered a lifetime guarantee with these wallets. Extra are offering up to 32% off, and if you use my discount code SALVAGE at checkout, it will take another 10% off of the price. So go and click the link at the top of my description box and also my pinned comment. It will take you straight to Extra's site, do a bit of shopping and stop yourself from losing your wallet. Right, let's start stripping the bumper. Right, now earlier on when I was pulling out the grille for the car, you was probably thinking, well, that's a bit of a big box in it to put a grille like that in. No, this is the dashboard. Now, a massive thank you to the airbag team who really helped us out with this one. They've helped us out with a few cars now, and honestly, they do have a really, really brilliant service, especially me and Dad recently repaired a brand spanking new Volkswagen Crafter van, and it had a passenger side airbag. And apparently it's really, well, apparently on the new ones, they come with a passenger airbag, but on the whole, it's really, really rare to have them in. So we struggled like hell to try and find one. We sent it off to them and they had it done and turned around within a couple of days. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description box below for them. But, oh, wouldn't they wrap this well, wouldn't they? Seatbelt, driver's airbag. Here we are. Right then, the good thing with having a dashboard without taking the other one out first is that I can have a look to see where all the mounting is. So I ain't got to be guessing because it's the first time that I've done a Audi dashboard before. So, right, so let's get the dash out. Look at that, nice and easy. I think in order to give myself as much space, and like I say, I haven't done one before, so I need a bit of space, especially when taking these seat belts out the B post, sorry. I think I might just take the seats out, 4 bolts, a couple plugs. I think that's going to make my life a lot easier. If you guys have made it this far in the video and you are enjoying it, then please make sure you go and smash that subscribe button. Over 67% of you guys aren't subscribed. Subscribing really, really helps the channel grow, and it helps me out more than you ever could know. So go and smash that subscribe button. Hello. Time to get the front bumper on. All the other bits are done now. That grill's on. A couple of the other little bits are on. Yeah. Airbag kit's back in. Seat belts are done. Pretty easy job to do, to be fair. Right, bumper time. Instead of saying like, you know, go hammer time. Just go bumper time. Right. Just go plonk like that and it'll go on. Front bumper now on. We just need to go around and plug everything up and let's just screw it up now. There's not much to it. I did actually forget to mention earlier on in the video, this car isn't actually mine. This is a good friend of mine who bought it from Copart Gloucester, one of the new ones, Copart Gloucester. So yeah, I'm not too sure what he's going to do with it. I don't know if he's going to keep it or sell it, but if anybody is interested in it, then pop me an email on my emails in my description box below. It's fixingsalvage@hotmail.com, and he's got it there. Yeah, and I can forward you on his details if he is going to sell it. But yeah, if there's a dent in the bonnet, I don't know if he's going to have that sorted or not. I'm not too sure whether he's going to put that into his paint guy. If he don't, then I'm sure he'll price it accordingly. But yeah, let's finish it off. It's now off of the ramp and it's just been whisked away to its MOT. This is not it, this is another car. And well, those of you will know why the wing is off it. If you know, you know. Thank you all so much for watching another video. Do not forget, guys, if any of you guys have got a car for sale or you think I might be interested in one, pop me an email. My email is in the description box below. Thank you all for watching. Smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'll see you all very, very soon in the next one.